Human blood types are examples of multiple alleles of a single gene, with an added twist to the pattern of inheritance. A person may have one of 6 genotypes: homozygous AA, homozygous BB, heterozygous AO, heterozygous BO, heterozygous AB, or homozygous OO. Alleles A and B are dominant to O. Therefore, people with genotypes AA or AO have A antigens and have type A blood. Those with genotypes BB or BO have B antigens and have type B blood. Homozygous recessive OO individuals lack both types of antigens and have type O blood. In people with type AB blood, both antigens are present. When heterozygotes express phenotypes of both of the homozygotes, in this case both A and B, the pattern of inheritance is called codominance, and the alleles are said to be codominant to one another. Another example of codominance is the MN blood type locus in humans. This locus has only 2 alleles, M and N. With 2 alleles, there are 3 possible genotypes, MM, MN, and NN. An individual who is homozygous for the M allele has only M proteins on their blood cells and is blood type M. An individual who is homozygous for the N allele has only N proteins on their blood cells and is type N. A heterozygous individual will have both M and N alleles on the blood cells and is type MN. The positive or negative part of the blood type is due to the Rh locus. We can think of the Rh locus as having 2 alleles. The positive allele is dominant to the negative allele. The Rh positive allele produces a protein on the blood cells. The Rh negative allele does not. The protein produced by the Rh positive allele acts as an antigen and causes an immune response in people with Rh negative blood. Therefore, Rh positive blood should not be put into an Rh negative person. It is okay to put Rh negative blood into an Rh positive person. Remember that in the ABO locus, A and B are codominant to each other, and both are dominant to the O allele. In the MN locus, the M and N alleles are codominant to each other, and in the Rh locus, Rh positive is dominant to Rh negative. What would be the possible genotypes and phenotypes of the offspring resulting from a mother type M, A negative, and a father type N, O positive? We could use the Punnett square to predict the inheritance for the 3 loci. As we can see here, 100% of the offspring will inherit a heterozygous genotype for the MN loci and a heterozygous genotype for the ABO loci. Since the Rh is dominant over Rh negative, 100% of the offspring will be MN type A positive blood. Another example. Which couple can be the parents for a baby whose genotype is MM-AB positive? We can rule out option A since it is not possible that 2 parents with Rh negative can have a child with Rh positive. Option B is correct for the loci MN, but it is not possible for a couple type O and type AB to have a child type AB. Option C is also incorrect since it is not possible for a couple type N and MN to have an MM child, as it is not possible to have an AB child from combining type A and type O blood. Answer D is correct because the combination of genotypes MM from the mother and MN from the father results in a 50% chance of having an MM child. The combination of a type BO mother and a type AB from the father results in a 25% chance of having a type AB child. D is the only possible combination for this child.